Hey guys, what's up? Rincy here, and in this video, this video is a continuation of the SEO audit for Assets de Carpus web design website, basically. So, in this video, I will try to finish everything in the site-wide audit, and then we move on to the next stages of the process. So, let me share you my screen so you can see me doing the actual thing. So yeah, so if any one of you are asking what's the tool that I use for recording, I use OBS Premiere. I think it's OBS Premiere. It's free. It's an open source video recording. I'm still exploring it and parts of it, and I don't know if there are what are the pros and cons, but basically, yeah, it works well for my purpose. So just a quick recap of what we did. So for those of you that are new to the videos that I'm creating, the SEO process or the SEO audit that I do has three parts to it. So part one is the site-wide audit, and sub part of that is, part one is basically a site-wide audit and page level audit. So basically we check everything whatever is not working with the website. And you can see here we have yes and yes no, meaning it's fixed, not fixed. X meaning it's not applicable to this particular website or domain. And then once we're done with the site-wide audit, you can see here we move on to the page level audit. So if it's a business or a local business, we do a service page audit. Each pages we check each pages with this list that we have. And then we go back. What we do is we after we check everything, we go back and do the second round of the actual fixing. So if it's fixed, we just mark it, we just click check, and that's being taken care of. So further here you have more columns in here. Usually mainly I use Asana for task assignment. Let's say we have a team or clients would like to see the progress of the work that we're doing. So we basically create if it's a no, if it's a problem, so basically create an Asana task for it in there, and then we just name the person that's assigned to it. And then what else? So okay, so and the second part, let me explain that to you. The second part of the process is what we call SEO benchmarking. Some couple of experts call it benchmarking. Some would call it content analysis. But basically, what we're doing here is basically we're looking for we start fixing or optimizing the best pages of your website. So in terms of conversion, in terms of clicks, and in terms of impression. So basically it's one of the three. So but it's usually in terms of clicks, because click starts with the conversion and impression. And what else? So yeah, so after we finish with the top pages, let's say top 5, we move on to top 10, and then top 20, and so on and so forth. So all the pages that we want to rank, or we want to rank in Google or in the search engine, we optimize them and track them in this spreadsheet. So we kind of do it on a monthly basis. So each month we rerun the audit and see how it goes and stuff like that. So if this one is monthly, the phase 1 is maybe every 2 months to 3 months, depending on it's a case-to-case basis. Some some websites just has a lot of problems to it, and then when you're working with when you got a lot of people working in it, you kind of have to establish a process that works best for you. So some in a recent project or a recent client, I actually ended up doing like a week. Each week I do a site-wide audit just to make sure everything is accordingly and stuff like that. And then moving on, step 3 or part 3 is just a keyword, is further keyword research. And then we basically look for pages that are I mean topics or keywords or basically what I'm trying to say is once we finish, we're good with we're already 90 or 80% finished with phase 2 or part 2. We then move on to part 3, which is basically looking for more keyword ideas or search queries that we want to solve, or basically problems or inquiries in Google or search engine that we want to provide contents for. It could be a product or service or basically informative pieces of content. So we want to cater as many as we can for the niche or the brand. So yeah, so that's pretty much the overview. So let's get started. Where we let's pick up where we left off. So title tags, links strong. So you kind of look at this here. Title tag. All right. Title tag long. Yep, we have a number. And long and short. Yeah, we have 2 of them. All right, so we put it in our. Is that technical? Let me see if we have this. Yeah, by the way, so just to explain it real quick. So if we have, so for example, title tag length too long, and then we check our screaming frog template and we see reds in title 1 length, that means that we need to fix this problem. And to do that, and once we establish that there are pages with that problem, I think we put it here. Let's see if I have that here. No. Yeah, I think it's not here. So let's move this to where did I go wrong? What did I do? It's not page. I think I'm missing one tab here. So yeah, let's just put it here for now. It's like I said, guys, the template is not completed yet. So I still have a lot of working to do, but by the time I finish my website, and oh yeah, so let me show you my website now. So Asis is actually working on this. So we hope that 3EYP83 continue. All right. So I'm just basically showing you my website over there. So where's the Maribeth, a good VA of mine. She working on the content for that, and me as well. So yeah, just a quick update. It's not the one. It's still in the demo and staging, still in a staging environment. Yeah, so yeah, here it is. Let's build you. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna offer a free audit for potential client, basically anyone who wants to have a free audit with me in exchange that I just create a video of them and then upload it for on YouTube for your consumption. And then the other one is if you don't want me to audit your website, you can kind of go and download the free version of the template. You just have to share your information. I mean, not share your information, but you just have to fill in your email. So for future updates, stuff like that, nothing spammy or whatever. I don't do that. It's like I said, I'm into ethical things. All right, so hopefully this gets done this week, or I mean, if you're watching this on a later date, so this week, no, March 19, 2019. All right, so going back. Uh, that's a bit of plugin. Again, if you fancy what I'm doing here and you want to support the channel, just go ahead and subscribe and click the like thumbs up button. I don't do fancy. I don't do fancy. I just if you really find it valuable, to continue uh, learning with me. So I'm not claiming to be an expert with SEO, but you know what? I can do numbers. That's what I'm telling. That's what I would tell people. So, oh yeah. So going back. So yeah. So we just have to put it here. Title tag. Title tag. Too long. So, all right. So the rest. So I think we saw a couple stuff here that there we have also some that are these are just tags. So yeah. So most of this are just enable insert code. So these are not pages though. So yeah, it's part of the one of the items that needs to be fixed. So yep. So yeah, if you are a total beginner in SEO, I would, if you have suggestions, questions are related to SEO for beginners, or if you think there's a topic that you would like me to discuss, feel free to comment in the comment section below, or contact me, Facebook me, whatever. So I can think of it. I can create a presentation for you. And also, if you're a total beginner, you can go and check my other video on the concepts of SEO for beginners. So what I did there was pretty much, if you can look at it, concept of SEO for beginners. It's what well it's in my language, Filipino, mainly because I had a call with a VA. She I forgot, Yale. I think that was Yale. Yeah, Yale. So I kind of what I did is I kind of explained it, the basic concepts, just the basic of why, what, and how of SEO. So go ahead and check this out if you fancy, if you're really a total beginner. So again, that's enough for our plugin. Okay, let's get started. So continue. Multiple H1s. So yeah, multiple H1s. Let's look at here. So we have one H1, and then by the way, this is not good. Two H2s. Yeah, we have OMG. Oh no. Okay, so here we have, excuse me, we have two instances of H2s. So there's a lot of it, so we just leave it there and just go back and find it. So how is this templatized is, I base, if you're familiar with Screaming Frog, kind of base the color, what do you call it, the formatting of this based on Screaming Frog mainly. So if its title is long and short, or shorter than the suggested number or length, then it turns red. If it's within the range, it turns green, basically. So I'm just pulling it up. Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna show you. Let's look at for file, recent assets. Okay, well, that's working. So basically I export everything here in Screaming Frog and then move it here onto this template right there. So all right. So maybe you're wondering why I'm not doing it live right now, because we just had heavy rain, and heavy rain means slow everything. Welcome to the Philippines. I mean, that's how it is in this part of the country. That's what I'm saying. So missing H2 tags. Screen product for content on it. H2 tags. So usually there are at least 2 H2 tags. So we only look at H2-1. H2-1 means the primary. So we have a couple of prevent WP login from. All right. So we do have that problems there. So it's gonna be a no. Missing meta description. Meta. I think did I? Oh, yeah, we do have a lot of holes there. That tells us. So let's kind of move this further. So what's good about this template is you can just move around things to make your life better. So as you can see, we have a lot of work to do. As is, if you're saying this, man. Yeah, we have a lot of meta description and phone number. Let's look at that. Phone number is a no for like meta descriptions, because it's the first thing that's shown in the SERP rankings, and if you have them in your meta description or even your meta titles, what happens is they don't convert, they don't click, and they just you just call you whatever, because and that would actually ruin your conversion rate tracking for the most part. So I'll just okay. Oops, there's even very long one. Okay. Yeah. So you get the idea. I think I don't think ASIS will put in a number in there. Unsecured content. Unsecure. What's unsecure content? Be at set reports. Yeah, here we go. Insecure, unsecure. I'm having a turmeric. Is that turmeric? Turmeric tea, whatever, and then apple cider and then honey. Acids. Where's that? All right, yeah, this is the one. So we just wait for it to sync. If it is syncing, then we should see it here. I just okay. So go ahead. Yeah, for phase 2 and phase 3, I think I'm gonna look for someone. I mean, a different, or maybe we can do it on a different video altogether, so you can see how this. I mean, you can see this in action, basically, because my clients, U.S. clients, wouldn't let me do it for their website and have it on YouTube. Insecure. Right, here we go. Again, if you feel like subscribing, just feel free to subscribe. If you wanna learn with me as I go through my journey of recording tutorial videos, and learn a lot of things. So yeah, insecure contents, that would be 0. So this is yes, and hooray. Result scan, do we have that? Nah, ready more budgeting metrics, ping, SERP audit, SERP, right, SERP tools, we did already, screaming frog. What is this? Okay, search console. What else? Yeah, I think we did that. So why I included it here, because it takes time to do this one. Server. Oh man, I check site hosting server, and then what's the tool for this? Oh, I forgot. I think it's my template, but check hosting speed. I think you just have to put it. Yeah, you basically. I forgot the name. Website. Yeah, pickup host. I think this is. Oh, Is that Bitcacha? Bitcacha. Bitcacha. Right. I don't think. I think it's just. Oh, I don't know. Oh no. Select right there. I think this is the one. I'm not sure which version is on this. No. Web hosting. It's too much gibberish. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. My bad. Alright, this one is the. I think this is the one. Ah! What do you mean can't reach? This is what I was mentioning about. The internet is really killing me. Yeah, I know. I just go over the rest. Overall page speed, timing, and request. Page. Overall timing and page request. I think that's here. Yeah, we already established that SERP.io. Oh, let's look at that. Oh, what the heck, man? This new lolly captcha in the world. Incorrect captcha. Great. YR. Oh no, man! What happened, man? Come on. Overall, yeah, it's a B. I think it's a B. Yeah, I think it's a B. Yeah. B plus. I think you'd say no, because there are items that can be improved. Yeah. Oh, we don't know this yet. Report. Alright, yeah, it's working. Let's wait for that to happen. And then let's just put it here for future references if you don't know what I'm saying. Image compression. I think we had it. Yeah, this is a problem with my sheet. It's not smush. It's a plugin. gzip. I think it's gzip that needs to be checked. Guess. Alright, I don't wanna do both at the same time. So image compression. I mean, if you're gonna do image compression, you have to do it manually. You have to download it first. But yeah, that's going to be X. Browsing cache. Do you have a browsing cache? Browsing cache. Browsing cache. Yeah. Cache. Whatever. Yeah, we are actually. Do we have that? Assets, man. Oh, I need to log into here. WP sign. Oh shit. Just wait for a second. Wait for a second. Just look at my face for a moment because I had to figure out login details for my man. So this is okay. This is it. All right, we need to check if we have this caching thing going on. So browsing cache. Yeah. Yep. It's really loading. Slow. Let's see. We got messages. This is actually online. What's I'm lost, man. I can't. I think it's no. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. JSS and JSP. Yeah, I think this is one is in the. If you have a CDN, do we have a CDN? So just checking on. Okay, right. I forgot. I need to share screen. Share screen, guys. Right. So blah, 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 blah. This is the inside. So browsing cache. If we have the Lulu 3 plugin installed, it should be fine. Yeah, let's go back. What happened here? IP host who is US. Oh, okay. So we need. It's a D. But it's mainly because Singapore, because we are not in US. Site is not in US, so that figures. Yeah, so I just look for something. Yeah, it's basically giving us recommendations right now. What's H? Okay. It's just a. Okay. Yeah, we just put in no because it's not. Do we have a CD? CDN is completely optional. Well, let's see if we have a caching thing. Nope. So CDN is optional. If you don't have CDN, I think that would be good. All pages ogDate. Let's do that by doing this. Briefly, and we will proceed. Check what happened. OMG. Let's try. Bro, what happened to your side? Maintenance. Damn. No. Assis, come on. What's wrong? Yeah. Did I break it? I hope not. Alright, it's back. Page ogDate. Oh, it's back. Okay. Okay. It's back. False alarm. Right. Alright, so ogDate view page first. ogDate is like OG. It's like it's like an algorithm but coding from social media to better understand what's in your page, your website. So often it's called open graph. So properties. So you can see we have ogDate in place like this, like this. So yeah. So when you post it on Facebook, it pulls data. What happens with open or the ogData in Grab. What happens with ogData is it pulls. I mean, if you post, for example, in Facebook, it pulls data from your web page and then it interprets in Facebook. So if you can see in Facebook, there's a title and then a snippet. Yeah, that's how ogData works. So if it's not properly set up on your website, so it gets screwed up. How you can set this is you can use Yoast Premium. I think it's I think you can get away with a free version of Yoast, and or you can look for a different plugin that works just fine with it. Organizational markup. So now we're going to markups. So this is structured testing tool. All right. So we're actually going to the markup section. If you can see here, category. So organization markups basically markup for sites in the national level. In this case, I'm not yet sure if ASIS would go for national or international, uh, but you can see here they already have, yeah, it's oh, this is confusing. And you have a website of your creative works. All right, so this actually is not correct because homepage should be organization or local business, for example. Website is fine, but person is not a good. It's not a correct schema for your homepage if you're a corporate or team or a brand or in this case an organization. But I might be wrong. Maybe ASIS is just a one-man team after all. So so this could if that is the case, then we are good with this. We're good with this, and what's missing is the H entry markup or date structured data basically. So we just type in, maybe I could say, yeah, ask if it's an organization or one-man team. I mean, yeah, put it in but ask, yeah, about, yeah, this is the fun part, looking everything done. Next we have contact. Let's do everything here. Guess it's taking too long. Just do everything all together. All right. So what he did is kind of put it site-wide, the schema. No. Oh, you actually have to, if you're gonna mention locations like Quezon City, Philippines, then it should be a local business or a local business entity for that matter. So I'm just gonna assume that every page that he has, I mean every page on the website has this structured data, which is I don't say it's a bad thing or it's a disadvantage per se, but if you don't do it correctly, it's gonna screw. I mean, it's gonna give you a little bit of disadvantage. That's if that's the right term. So I guess that's a no. That's a no. Oops, that's next. Lookup is breadcrumbs. Markup. Yeah, we do have that. News article. I think that's a no. Event markup. Event. News article. No, Yeah, maybe open arms. Open arms. If no, they not. They didn't do that. I guess if they want to be in the copy system. Schema errors. No. All main social profiles set up. So social, right? Social profiles. We have it. Yeah, we have it down here, but we also need to have it up here. Need it up top navigation. Navigation, right? So social profiles are optimized for search engine. Let's see, search profiles optimized for search engine. Uh-huh. Is yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep, I think that's the case. What basically what you're saying is it visible on your pages or on your website, the social profiles? Because these profiles are also being crawled by the engine. So correct URL being tracked. Analytics. This is. I think we have. Yeah, I think it could be a repeat, but I think already. Yeah, I think I already did this. If yeah, just for the sake of for you guys, I'm gonna check it real quick. Let's see how are we doing with my face. Yeah, that's it. All right. Again with the turmeric. Kind of do it in intervals because. All right, access is here. All right. What I do, like in the morning, I do what they call bulletproof coffee. If you don't know what that is, you just Google it up. But it's really high fats kind of thing. It gives you the extra energy all throughout the day. Sometimes I ended up 2 coffees a day, and then 1 turmeric. Sometimes just 3 coffee when everything is really going south. You can see your goals. La 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 la. Eh, no goals. That has to be fixed though. Okay, Yoast. Okay, I don't know if it's safe to show Asis's dashboard for his sake. Alright, for his sake, I'm just gonna skip the plugin. But basically, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna show it on. I'm not gonna show his dashboard. But basically, what are this is Yoast. You can have the free version or the pro version. We have cats. Cats. Yeah. Yeah. So going back, Yoast. You can have the free version or the pro version, but basically what I would recommend that you stay away is you try and make all the green lights green, if you know what I'm saying. So the on-page features of Yoast is it's pretty much not that effective after the update, the rank brain and the what's that, the penguin, yeah. After the Google algorithm updates, it's no longer that effective. I don't use it. It just maybe the icon score, the readability score. Yeah, I do that, and then the keyword density. Yes, I kind of check that as well. But pretty much that's it. And then I just use the other functionality of it with the site-wide stuff like sitemap and redirects and the ogData. ogData is very very tricky, by the way. So you be careful not to, because you sometimes end up over optimizing your pages. That's why that could cause some ranking issues, over optimization. Yeah, so smush or other image compression, yeah, that's, you just look. Broken link checker, what this does is it gives you a daily update of links for pages coming from your site. Sogo and script header, this is used for basically this is a widget on each pages of your website that you can put custom scripts for pages. So for example, if you want to track that particular page in analytics, you create a custom script for that. Also, if you're gonna do schema markup differently, I mean, you have other schema data that you need to add that's not on the plugin that which I'm about to share with you, so you can do that as well. So 410 for WordPress is another plugin that I would recommend for really a lot of pages that, or URLs that doesn't serve a purpose. So a lot of you guys, I mean, a lot of experts would tell that if you have a broken URL and it's in what you're gonna do is you're gonna 301 it to the home page or to the closest pages that it resembles. So yeah, which is actually a bad practice in my opinion, because if you no, what I'm saying is if that URL, there's actually the continuation to that story, but what I'm saying is if that URL doesn't have clicks, impressions, or traffic in a sense, then there's no point in doing a redirect. So mostly what you do is just assign a 410 status code to that URL, meaning that it's telling Google that this page, I mean Google or search engine, Google, that this page is no longer, or URL is no longer in function and will never be. I mean, it's permanently gone. That's what you're trying to say. So okay, moving on. W3 cache. Yeah, it's no brainer. You need cache. Yeah, in my experience, when you're doing a lot of fixing on the site, you first turn off the cache because it kind of mess things up. You know, oh, I did the changes here, but it's not showing in the front end, stuff like that. We had all those sorts of problems. So if uh, if you have a premium account though, you can contact your support and figure out how to best deal with that. If you really need to have the cache, say for example the site is live, there's live, there are live traffics going on, so yeah, so you have to figure it out based on your circumstances. So this is the plugin that I recommend for structured data, because it customizes. You pretty much have all the basic structured schema, structured data for it has basically all the basic properties that you need for whatever type of pages that you will create for most in my experience, that is. So if you don't have it in there, let's say for each entry property, you kind of use the Sogo ad script header for that, so you can customize it however you want, so those two plugins kind of work hand in hand. So updraft plus backup, yeah, it's really important to have a backup. You never really know what's going to happen with your site, and sometimes human errors can give you a lot of problems. All right, we're moving on with the site search. Site search is basically the search box, or the spyglass you create up top on your page. I don't know how long have we been recording, but I hope, yeah, this one. Oh yeah, this one. Is it clickable? All right, yeah. Washington. Oh, okay. So this is clickable. This is actually something that Google looks at. If you don't know that yet. So we have that. Yeah, breadcrumbs. Did we? Okay, social media on site. Yeah, that's pretty much the same with the first one. City above fold. No, we don't have. We don't have that. Asses. We don't have that. Asses. 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 Like, looks like proper navigation. Oh, well, yeah, we're looking for the breadcrumbs. Yeah, and then proper navigation. Yeah, what I would say that what I would, you know, you put in your services here, bro. That's important. Those are the most important thing. And you get rid of this home thing. It doesn't really have a purpose. So you put in maybe your services. That includes photography and portfolio. Um, Video can be under services as well. And then about FAQ, and then blog. About, you can have the contact in there. So basically what you want in your navigation are just the most important pages, because what happens is you want the way you do it is you want the most important pages to be crawled first, meaning it has to be the first one to be clicked from the home page, because that tells Google, okay, these are the important pages on this website, so this is the ones that I will be giving good amount of emphasis all throughout the journey, basically. So let's look for one blog. All right, it's not loading. Okay, it's there. All right, so dates are not good. I think I explained that on an earlier version of this audit. I mean, a video. So dates is only good if, you know, uh, if it's not more than 6 months or a year. Uh, Especially with marketing, everything changes after 3 months. What's new now 3 months later could be old. So dates is a no. Yeah, a no, because what happens is if the content is outdated and users will look at it, oh, okay, this content is old, so I just keep it. Other than that, I mean, if it's an evergreen content, something like uh, form of science or uh, study or a discipline that's really static in terms of content, then yeah, I would leave the date, and especially the tags. It's a bad idea to put in the tags in there. Yeah. Yeah, proper navigation. I would say no. AMP for new site only. I would say. I think we already mentioned AMP. AMP. Yeah, we mentioned it twice. AMP for new sites only. AMP for new sites only. Yep. Mention AMP. This is not the one. So if you're wondering how I created the template, I just basically followed figures online. I did my research and then kind of combined the best of them both, and then I mean all of them. And created basically what I did is I created a hybrid template that allows me to do my thing. And then of course I'm also improving it as I go through the process. As most, I think, most experts would, I mean, SEO pros would do. They keep changing, keep evolving, improving things around. Right, going through. I think we are in the content. Yeah, yeah. We go to Copyscape to do this. Yeah, I think we can close the other one. Does the website have duplicate? Siteliner. Let's go Siteliner. Open this up. All right. Wait. Oh, check assignment. New results. Boom. So what's that look like? Next. So I'll just assume that this is a yes to all, because we are going to put it in there anyways. Oh, I mean I'm talking about the plugins, by the way. So yes to all the plugins, yeah. And then breadcrumbs. No, we don't have breadcrumbs in there. If you can see, sample blog, no breadcrumbs. He does have that arrow there for whatever reason. All right, next. Yeah, sideliner is scanning things. Doesn't copy me. Benchmark total number of backlinks. Oh shit. All right. Yeah, if you don't have access to tools like Ahref or stuff like that, you can go to Search Console. This won't be as accurate as you would like it to be. All right, so depending on your tools, but I prefer Ahref mainly because they are the industry standards, and they have a very deeper depth of analysis. I'm not sure what I'm talking about. What was that? Copyscape. Okay, I think Copyscape, there are no duplicate contents. That's what it's trying to say. But for the sake of this, oops. Okay. Yeah, let's go just clients that are. So what we did here, backlinks, total. So total, what is that? Total number of backlinks. We actually put it in here. So date, what's date today? March 19. Well, let's copy this. March 19, 2019. Oh, backlinks 187. Link. My kid is daydreaming. What do you call that? 5 referring domains. 5 total pages that are indexed in Google. So we kind of need to do this. Number, and then we go to which property? Assets. Settings. Yeah. Oh, no coverage. Coverage. Yep. It's coverage. Sorry guys. So 58 here. 58 crawled. And versus how much is 2 valid. Oh, yeah. I think I mentioned this on the previous videos. On my earlier version of this audit, basically, I think it's part 1 or part 2. Yeah, but we have this problem here with audit. This is organic keywords 16. Well, basically we will harvest that, and we'll grab that, download it, and 16. But this is what we do, is just benchmarking this, so we know the stats beforehand. And then total organic visitors. Do we have that? 5. Oh no. Okay, something's wrong with the total organic visitors. Last month. Last 3 months. Oh, okay, that's not doing good for you guys. Yeah. 5. Bounce rate. Your behavior, go to check that bounce rate, dude. Bounce rate 57 for 45. 57.45. Let's put it in there. Average session duration. Where it's still in analytics. I forgot where that is. All traffic. Oh no, not this. Oh yeah, here it is. Channel average session duration. That's 5 minutes. If that is the case, just 5 minutes of idle. Oh, we only have 5 people there. Returning visitors percentage. I forgot where that is. Returning visitor. User organic referral. Is that in demographics? No, it's not. Let's see if it's in overview. Or it's in, yep, 78 returning. Something, what's that? 78.7. Just to be sure, 78.7. So it's just telling us that 5 people are or like 3.5 of the time of the total traffic is coming back. So 3 out of 5. So this is done. Benchmarking is done. Let's just put it in there. Goal tracking, no goal tracking. Goal. No. Is e-commerce tracking setup not applicable? E-commerce tracking up not applicable to any of the pages of a speech. Okay, let's go to behavior. Look out for site speed, and then overview. Page speed suggestion. Speed suggestion. So it's coming off now. So is the website mobile friendly? Mobile friendly. Let's use this. All right. Okay. Yeah, this is done. Yeah. Let's put it in here. Do we have duplicates? Skip the redirect 9 normal pages. Alright, duplicate content 7%. Yeah, we can just go ahead and 7% is nothing to be worried, I think. Or is it 7% of the pages or 7% of the total content? Let's check. Match words. Alright, here you can see. Okay. About homepage, match percentage, match page power. Okay. Title. So what you get to do? So yeah, we have match contents. Yeah, so 7% of the total pages basically. So we have match versus 146, and then about is 146. I'm guessing that these two have similar pages, so we can look at it and yeah, let's look at it, and you'll see the something like Let's pop this one in just to check. Page load. Oh, all right. So okay, page mobile is friendly, but with with issues. Huh. Damn, you have issues. Huh? Organic export organic keywords. Where are we? Oh my god, why we keep jumping up of things. Are we good up there? Yeah, okay. Alright, okay, alright, okay. Benchmark export. That's what we gotta do. Oh, we don't have the plan. Yeah, okay. We can do that later. No, not yet. Are there any backlinks with redirect chain? Backlinks with redirect chain. So what we do? Yeah, we only use href for this though. So yeah, going back with the siteliner and looking for the duplicate contents. So yeah, we were right about the initial assessment, and then common sense. Yeah. So this is the page slash about. If you can see the lower screen, lower left screen, you can see that this is the page that's duplicate with this one, so that has to be fixed as well. So yeah, basically that's how you use siteliner right there. So let's go back. Again, we're not doing any fixing right now. We're just looking at how much problem are we looking at, and how should we fix that. So yeah, so for export organic, not now. With redirect chain, all right, redirect chain, link type. We go with redirect chain. Oh, he got 5. Okay, he got 5. Yep, it has a redirect chain. Yeah, mainly from here to here. So this has to be fixed. We can export that. Excuse me. Export. House. What else? Are there any lost backlinks? Lost backlinks. Download. Lost backlinks for the last 3 ones. Let's say that's 60 days. Show. Okay. Let's see. Fairing URL. Oh. Oopsie. Redirect. So from this page, what's coffee? All right. Okay. Coffee. So we put this under technical URL. This is the URL, and then the redirect chain. This is the team. Okay, this is the redirect chain that we need to fix. Basically, it's redirecting to the. I just want it's redirecting to the www version. www means www. Redirect chain. I don't know if we have a redirect chain. Yeah, it's a redirect chain. Going back to our audit. Yep. So lost. Do we have lost? 0. Yeah. Where are we? Are there lost backlinks? No. Are there broken backlinks? Broken. Let's see. It's pretty much explanatory, like lost and broken. Yeah, I guess. Oh, broken outbound links. Okay, there's no backlink. Broken outbound links. Broken outbound links. See that there. No, are there any broken backlinks? That's good. Green. Are there questionable looking backlinks? No. So questionable looking backlinks. Where did I read outbound? Shit. Thanks. That's good. Are they questionable? Is there a high percentage of keyword rich anchor text? Questionable backlinks. Let's see. So this is mostly not much there though. So I just say yes to that, or that's fixed. Is that fixed? Basically, if it's that fixed, yes or no. That's why I know. Is there a backlink percentage of keyword? I don't think there is, because this is just like 5 free domains. Okay. Next, does any page have a speed score less than 90? Is this? Okay, this is in analytics. Speed suggestion, yeah. Oh, did we have? Yeah, page. Yes, I mean no. Page, yeah, you can see the top pages based on page views. It has to be 90 and above or closer. So it's a no. Is the website mobile friendly? Yes, with issues. Yes, but with issues. Have we seen this? Yeah, we've seen the issues. Page loading issue. Yeah, maybe the loading speed. So mobile ready. I think we have this done earlier. Oh my. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Can you show me the graph? All right. Is the website responsive up on all devices? Yes, it is. I can see that here. Used to see it here. So this one takes quite a while to. Yeah, basically. Okay, let's do that again though. Oh, damn it. Damn. Come on, this is what we are unable to process. What do you mean? You need the whole thing? Very good. Huh? Where did I copy that? Okay. Basically, what it's showing me is versions of the pages on the website. Are there minor errors? Yes, I mean, yeah, there are. There are majors. Well, I'll show you in a bit. This web website in just 3 seconds. Ping dong, show me. Yeah, okay, so here you can see it's loading well in all types of screens. If that makes sense. If in all devices, basically. Score. Give me the score. Loads how much? Yeah. From here I can see it's looking good. No. Performance page grade greater than 90. This one. No. Page speed, yeah. No. Benchmark total number of pages that are indexing. We're done with this. Done. Yeah, we're done. Oh. Does the website show up? Number 1 was search for the brand. Yeah. Let's do that. Assist card view. Okay. No reviews though. No reviews. Books. What it is? Sec. Bro, you're listed here. Oh, that's not you. Sec. Pinterest. Assist card view. Pinterest. Google Plus. It's mostly the. Oh, you have a YouTube channel, bro. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Are the pages in Google shouldn't be indexed? Are there pages? Do you have pages, bro, that shouldn't be indexed? Does the brand have a positive reputation? No, because you don't have reviews. Need reviews. Export organic CTR. Excuse me. Organic CTR, we don't have that yet. We don't, because we don't have tracking, so we don't have a CTR to export. Alright, anyway, we'll stop brand search, branded tab 10 search. Where do you go? Top 10 search. Okay. Query, you go here. Faisal. Assist Philippines. No, that's a no. So yeah. So this is this is like the query that the page is ranking for based on impressions. If you have clicks, that would be better. But looking at this, it's not searchable with a brand name. Has a sitemap been submitted to Google? Sitemap. Let's look at your sitemap. 2 errors. It's not the right sitemap, I believe. I think it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. This is the guy. That, if not, then I guess. There you go. That's not the right sitemap right there. Come on, man. Alright. I'm going up to speed here because the video is very, very long now. Is the website set up in Google Search Console? Yes. Is the website using structured data? I think we answered this. You answered this earlier. No. Alright. Are there? Yeah, we already answered this as well. Rich cards? No, there's no. Do we have rich cards? Yeah. Look at it here. Rich cards is in the old version of Google Webmaster Tool, but I think they're gonna. Where's that rich cards, right? But I think they're gonna move it. Okay, rich cards have having. Oh, okay. This has been moved. Okay. The URL inspector. I think if they're using enhancement. Yeah. Okay. No, nothing. Coverage enhancement. All visibility. Oops, get some problem there. So yeah, no rich cards that I can see. Does the website improvement? Does the website have HTML improvement still in the old? I think if we just do it like this, we can do the old version of this. HTML improvements still in the search appearance. Without much, yeah, we didn't detect. So that they're saying it will not be available anytime soon. Does the website have high quality of links from one or more websites? No. It needs to be fixed. Does the website have any manual action? So the way we look at that, you go to index, and that index, oh, security issues. Security issues. Okay, nothing there. But no. So mobile. Does website have any mobile usability issues? Yeah, I think there was. So you can see here one error. So yeah, yes, there is. We established that. And yeah, no, it has not been fixed. Total spike in total page index. So let me show that to you. Oh yeah, because since the sitemap is incorrect, remember this was the sitemap, and this the one that we have here is not the correct sitemap. So yeah, see that this is not the correct sitemap that the site is using. That's why it has here, so it has to be fixed as well. So yeah, that's a no. There's a website that edit page blocked by robots. Sitemap coverage excluded. Let's see. Included now. Blah. Huh. All right, let's go and look at here. If it's still here, crawl. Block resources. I'm getting good at this. Okay, no. So that's a yes. I mean that's fixed. Oh, this is cinema block. Yeah, this is the one. Blocked by robots is different from. Yeah. Blocked by robots and block. Yeah, the first one is this one. Blocked by robots. It should appear here if it has issues with robots. Oh, I think it's. I'm not sure anymore. No. Yeah, I think it's here. If you look at this. No, it's not here. But usually it shows when you click the excluded URLs. It shows the pages that are blocked by robots and block. I think blocked by robots and blocked by resources are one and the same. In a sense, does the website have crawl errors? Definitely. Abnormal crawl rate? Definitely. Do robots have any warnings or warnings? Warnings. Crawl errors. Oh yeah, this is where you test the robots if it's blocking anything. Robot tester. I don't know if it still works here. Okay, yeah. This is where you. Sorry guys. We use check if there are pages that are blocked by robots. You go here, crawls. This is the old search console, robot tester, and then you see here 0 warning, 0 errors, so that we're good. So we're now in errors or warnings. Yeah, it's good. Does that have any sitemap issues? Yes. Wrong sitemap. Wrong sitemap submitted. Does the website have any security issues? No. Analytics installed. Yes. TXT file. Yes. Yes. Mobile friendly. Yes. Using Flash or iframe. Let's look at that report then. Where's that? Here? No? Oh, this one. Well, let's look at that. Let's look at some issues here. Okay. Amount of content your page is low. Is that included? Low. Yes, there is. Flash is. I forgot where to start this. Okay, yeah, here. It has analytics, it has visibility, it has flash, no flash used. Yes, iframes. Yes. What else? Show more. Tap. target sizing, some of the links for okay, yeah. So this is your font size across all devices. Font size, yeah. So easy to tap. No, there are tap issues. That's what this is for. Is the target page server responding less than less than 0.6? No, it's not. Does all the page content load? Yeah, basically you just have to. I won't go through all of this, but basically everything is in this tool, SEO Optimizer. The template will basically give you guidelines to do that. So I'll just skip it for now. Export all URLs and corresponding data. What's that? Export all URLs and corresponding. Yeah, we already did this with Screaming Frog. Yes. And then are there 404 pages? Yeah, let's look at that. If we have, then oh, it's just beside us. We have 40 status code C2A. Yeah, they're even. It's a 409. You have your pages. So you put it in technical, and then you go for 4xx error. Look at that. Oh yeah, it should be 404xx. No. Ah, we can't. Yeah, because we can't. We just put it as 40xx, and this indicate up to which part is 409. Notes 409 error, and then we have that up to up here. One more. Then next, I know other duplicate titles. Duplicate titles. Poker face. Oh yeah, these are just paginations. If we were able to no index this ones, the priv and next tags. Yeah, but there are a lot of issues with the titles. And the titles over 41. Yeah, I think we already established this earlier. Titles. Yes, there are larger signs of keyword cannibalization. Keyword cannibalization. If we have the tags, and for sure there is. I mean, if you have the tags indexed, yes. Duplicate meta, no. We have other pages with meta descriptions less than 70 characters. 70 characters. Let's look at this. Oh. Oops. Yep. We have that. Other pages using keywords. No. Does the website have broken links? Broken links. Let's look at that. Well, all right. Report. Is that in bug report? Structured data. Excuse me. Broken links. Well, right. This is external. Can't find it here. Broken. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I think I need water. website have broken links. Basically, I forgot where reports, pagination, redax, insecure, inflight, bug reports. Yeah, I think if we can put it in href. Outgoing, yeah. No outgoing broken links. Internal links, backlinks. Let's see if there. Yes, I think it's. I just can't remember which part is the internal, and then no, it's not internal. Response code. Oh yeah, response code with. Oh shit! Shot. Let's look at how to find links in the screen. Yeah. If you don't know the answer, just Google it. Now you know. I just can't remember if there was link type, content, or redirect chain. No. You have this platform traffic. All right, it doesn't show here, but all right, let's move on for now. Reach out for find. Okay, 404 response code, and then go to 4xx, and then in links. Is that like that? Is that how it works? Or you go to all. Sure. Let's go back. Oh, I just. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. It's not that big of a big of a thing. It's a non-secure relating to the secure. Yes, because if we do a test here. Oh, basically we can do that here as well. HTTP code. Anyway, protocol. Here you go. We have one. It's definitely an outgoing link, but overall we don't have like our own HTTP. So we can do a test here. Remove the S, see if it redirects. If it not, we have a problem there. Any page that are not responding, 3xx. Any page that are responding. It's unresponsive page and internal response. Unresponsive. Status response code. No response. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's mainly external, so we don't have to worry about it. You just go find where it is, and yes, it's put it there. Okay, assuming that it redirected. That's a release. Yeah, let's look at that real quick. Oh, oh, you actually do the broken link thing. Then click the response code. Can wait. It's like this. Doesn't tell where it lives. Yeah, but we have a couple broken links here. It doesn't tell where it lives. That's a problem. So if we do block, all right, yeah, it makes sense now. So if we download this one, yeah, that's the right folder. Yeah, that figures. Yeah. So you download that one, it will appear here. We're still synchronizing it. Okay. Are there 307, 301 that can be eliminated? Let's get the bark report, response code 3xx, and then we do that as well. So we're gonna check other 301s that can be eliminated. So basically what we're doing is, are the 301 pages that are no longer getting traffic. That's what we mentioned earlier. Do we have that? Do we have that? Do we have that? Okay, yeah, we just wait for the report here. Yeah, but basically what you're gonna do is you look into the, let's see if it's synchronizing. But basically what you do is you go to your webmaster search console, you go to the report and say, you type in the page here, go, and then make it exact. You enter the page. Let's see if we already have it here. Insecure content, image missing, response code. Okay, we have the first one. Oh, we already have the response code. All right. What date was that? 16. All right, mate. So we don't have a 307. That's for sure. No 307. We have 302 though. Yeah, 302. No, but we have 307. So what you're gonna do, like what I just said, you go. This is obviously. Yeah, this is obviously a useless 301. Perfect example. So if you can see that it no longer, well, the first time you saw the URL and you can see that it doesn't have clicks, impression whatsoever, you assign a 410 on that, and then, or if it used to have impressions or clicks, and then later down, let's say 2 weeks from now or a month from now, it no longer have clicks or impressions, you basically assign a 410 code to that URL, so that your crawl budget with Google is reduced or increased. Yeah. For yes. Oh no, yes, there is. Are the images file larger than? So bug report. Is that bug report? Pagination. Bug report. Media. Images. There we go. Over X. So that's also, if there are images that needs to be optimized using gzip, or you can download it and reduce the file size and then re-upload it. Yeah, I actually have to add something here with the images. I think it's optimize image structure data locally in your local folder. So what this is in a desktop version is, you go right, you look for the image. It should be JPEG. Right click on it and then go to properties. Inside properties, you can find all the details that you need to put in there, description, star rating, stuff like that. You kind of need to put in a copyright, for example. Kind of put in a description and the keywords within the tags. You kind of put keywords in there, and then you kind of put the URL in there. So that's one trick that not all people know. So I just put it down there. So we're almost through with this list. So again, this one SEO optimizer, just fill in one for each. You just check this one using this tool, SE Optimer SEO Optimer. Yeah. So this one is mostly Screaming Frog. So 100. No, not yet. Oh, I'm missing 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 you, missing alt text. I think we already downloaded it from the previous uh, videos. Just size. Okay. Oh, my battery is running low. Yeah, it doesn't have. So, I just try to finish this quick because we're already running out of battery. We don't want to lose the video. So this. Okay, so yeah, basically you grab this list because it's really taking too long because there's a lot of URLs in there. So you grab whatever list uh, you filter. You filter the by the size, and then the by the size, and then you put it up in here in here, and then you it's slowing down my PC. I mean my Mac. So you look for missing out, and then, or if not, if it's over 100 kilobytes file size, image size, you put it in there. All right, I won't do that right now because we're running out of juice. So it's no, we didn't optimize that yet. Are there existing redirect chains? Okay, redirect chains. Just making sure we already have that. Redirections. Okay, we don't have it. We don't have the report for that. Yeah. Okay. Reports, redirection, and canalization. Okay. Yeah. So pretty much we're just using the tools and basically learning how to use the tools and then we create a process out of it. So instantly we have the report, or I mean the audit template that we have right now. Okay. All right. So yeah, I was trying to finish this in one video. Unfortunately, I ran out of video, and I mean I ran out of juice battery, and pretty much all of this. I'll finish this on a second part. Hopefully, I grab myself a video editing software, so I can just merge everything into that. Something to look forward in the future, definitely. OBS, I don't think it does it. But anyways, guys, I hope you learned something of value today. I mean, in this video. And if you have questions, again, feel free to comment down below, and then or contact me in my email or my social media profiles. And if you find it useful, what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe or click the thumbs up. Not much that not much that I could say at this point. Sorry, I'm lagging. Okay, yeah, that's it for today, and take care. Have a good one, and speak to you soon. Yeah. Transition.